First Warn 5 weather with Matt Holliner.
6:43 this morning. The cold front is clear of us, and you can still see it as we look at the satellite radar imagery. There's the low pressure system, and trailing down behind it is the cold front out in the Gulf now, and so leaving behind a cooler air for us and cooler air for much of the country. Another cold front cooling things down for the northern and eastern part of the country, and showers coming to an end in the northeast. There is a secondary cold front up to the north and west, but this one is very weak. It will make a little bit more progress today. We'll work through North Texas, and it looks like it's going to fizzle out right around Central Texas. So it's not going to be arriving in our area, but we're going to be feeling the impacts of it still. It's going to keep the clouds around, and this high pressure system behind it, it's not going to completely make it here either, because in the front stall fizzling out in Central Texas, the high isn't going to completely build in. So as long as that high stays to our north, we're not going to have a whole lot of sunshine. It's going to have an easterly flow around that high. Keep in mind, clockwise rotation around that high. Easterly winds mean a lot of clouds for us and a few rain showers. That's going to be the story for actually a good portion of the 7-day forecast. 9 a.m. this morning, I think the model overdoing it a little bit, but there could still be a stray shower or sprinkle, mainly in the lower valley. We are seeing a little bit of redevelopment right now out in the Gulf that could linger in and move into the coast, but we're not talking about a lot of rain this morning. Last chance of seeing a sprinkle or two, 11 a.m. noon, and then the rest of the afternoon looks dry, but still cloudy. Look at 3 o'clock, still a lot of clouds around. I think the clouds thin out a little bit late this afternoon, and that will allow us to warm up finally into the upper 70s, but significantly cooler than it was yesterday, thanks to that cold front. Now, later tonight, I think the clouds will thicken again, and maybe around 3, 4 a.m., a shower or two will start to pop up. Tomorrow morning, yes, like today, a few sprinkles, isolated showers, and I think those will linger into the early afternoon. Notice there's still a chance for a little bit of rain, but we're talking a little bit of rain. In fact, I do think that both today and tomorrow, many are going to stay dry, but many will see lots of clouds. Like today, I think in the late afternoon tomorrow, we're going to see the clouds break up. So if you have Friday evening plans, I don't think you have to worry about rain. There will still be clouds, and it's still going to be on the warm side. We'll get into the low 80s for Friday afternoon, and then we're not going to be cooling down all that much. Again, we don't warm up much when you have a lot of clouds, and you don't cool down very much. And that's kind of going to be the story over the next 7 days. Today is going to be our coolest day, though, 78 for our high temperature, way cooler than it was yesterday. Some isolated showers around for the morning hours, mostly cloudy, cool day, and not as breezy either. Winds only 5 to 10 miles per hour. Light winds expected tonight, and mainly dry. It's going to be a cloudy night, and that's why we're not cooling down all that much, only into the upper 60s. I do expect a few showers to develop late, but not much. There's not going to be much rain around. If I had to pick a best chance of rain over the next 7 days, it would be tomorrow, but we're only talking a 30% chance. So that kind of gives you an idea. We don't see any big soaking rains anytime soon. Notice how long we stay cool, though, even for the weekend. Actually, weekend shaping up to be pretty good. There are going to be a lot of clouds around, but the only chance of rain I see right now is a few showers maybe for Sunday afternoon. Still on the cool side, and still relatively cool on Monday because it's still going to be cloudy. But as the clouds start to break up, and winds shift to the southeast versus the east, yeah, we're going to be warming up. In fact, it looks flat out hot by next Wednesday. We may not see another cold front come in until late next Thursday or Friday. If you're wondering about what to do for the weekend, I do have a suggestion for you. Come out to the Hurricane Ready Expo. It's going to be at the South Texas College Mid-Valley campus. It's absolutely free from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Saturday. The KRGV weather team is going to be out there, and anything you want to know about hurricanes, you will learn about it at the expo. Hope to see you there.